Oh, hey guys. Sorry, that was my nephew's face. Anyways, today we are in a little town called Summerland, just on the shores of Okanagan Lake. It's a beautiful little town, and we got my family here, my wife's family, awesome bunch of people. And we're just at a campsite called Peach Orchard. Really nice little campsite. It's kind of crowded though, but there's a beach right down the road called Peach Orchard Park, I think this is called. And there's a water park for kids and for Malvics. All the Malvics of the world, all 2 of them. He might be the only one. Are you the only Malvic? I bet. Hey Malvic, what are you doing down there? So you can see here, you got a lot of picnic tables for picnics, benches everywhere, overlooking the lake. All right, we got a nice little spot in the shade here. Of course, because it's gonna be scorching hot. And actually we're gonna walk down this path here, and there's a bunch of other beaches there. Then we're gonna come back and cook smokies. Look at this spot we just noticed. They created like a little rock pool here. Water's just pumping out into it. It must be coming from there, I'm guessing. It's not warm, but it's refreshing. Yeah. Look at these kids just kicking in there. This is awesome. Yeah, a little kiddie pool.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Are you building castle? Yeah. Good job.
Got it. What is happening here? A hot dog and you're dipping it in a lime.
Can I sleep there? Oh. Kobe.
Doing good. I'm having fun. Thank you. Good.
Video.
Too much salt.
You try it. Like eggs? Oh. Oh, okay.
Got a little twang to it though. The next morning. All right, we're just on our way back from our little vacay in Summerland, and we decided to swing by Peachland for some coffee. And look at this. That is wicked. We're gonna have to go out there and try it out. We got Josh and Melvick with us. We stopped at Bliss Bakery here. And Peachland, for anyone that doesn't know, is probably like the best town in all of the Okanagan. It's got 11 kilometers of beachfront. There's all these walking paths and really nice for biking and stuff. Eventually we realized that the tickets to the water trampoline were $30 per person, so we decided to head over to a place called Swim Bay, which is actually free. You can see they've got all kinds of palm trees here. Makes it look really tropical. Across the way there is Okanagan Mountain Provincial Park. They got nice banana plants, some majesty palms, I think. JR, that's the prettiest one of all. All right, we're right here at the water park now. Pretty sweet. This zip line thing. JR was gonna go for a leopard print. JR was gonna go for a swim, but he forgot his Speedo, so you know, too bad for us.
Ikaw nga'y biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. Man lang inisip ng kanilang ginagawa'y para sa'yo.